Hey, what's up you guys? Today in this video I am going to be showing you guys how to make videos in ROBLOX Studio. I know it does sound a bit crazy. So first just pull a part in your base plate and then just make a rectangle like this. Look at this big, and then get rid of the weld, add a surface GUI, and then just go on models and then videos. Here's some default ones. I'm just gonna get fight loop there, and then drag it in the surface GUI. And then if we click on run, then nothing's happening. Nothing's happening because we didn't do everything yet. And then just click on the video. Then just scroll down until you see video and tick both of these. And then when you click on run, it should work. Check this out. So if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to click like and subscribe if you guys are new. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!